Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's finally time to unbox Oppo F7 with 25 megapixel camera at the front and a notch as well. So this is one of the first phones with a notch that I am reviewing here. So let's go through the specifications quickly. We've got 25 megapixel camera at the front, 64 gigs of ROM and 4 gigs of RAM. We have 6.23 inch Full HD plus super full screen, and then we have a glossy and unique design. Some of the other specifications include 19:9 screen ratio, 405 pixel density of the display. We also have Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on here. It's running on Color OS 5.0, which is based on Android Oreo 8.1, and there is an octa-core processor, which is MediaTek Helio P60, and then we have a back camera which is of 16 megapixel. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside and take a look at the phone itself. I'm especially eager to take a look at that notch and see how it works. And there we have a phone at the front. And there we go, that's the phone, and we have got this beautiful pattern at the back which I really like. Okay, so let's take a look at it for a while. Wow, it's just beautiful. It looks really great. This pattern is amazing. This is something new that Oppo is doing, and I really dig it. I really like it as well. So let's put it aside and take a look at what's inside the box first. We've got accessories back here, and okay, so that's how we out. We've got a pouch for the phone, so that's great. It's a soft silicone pouch, that's good. We've got a SIM ejector tool. We've got some paperwork here as well. We have got our charger here, which I don't know if it's a fast charger or not. So this is a 5-volt 2 ampere charger. We have got our headphones. These are just like we get with iPhone, at least the shape is similar. So there is that, and then we have our data cable. So no USB-C here, this is a regular data cable. So let's take a look at the phone. Now this is one beautiful phone. This pattern at the back is amazing. I just love it. This is something really different that Oppo is trying to do here, and they have succeeded at that. And this is one of the reasons I got this black color, because it has got this pattern. I don't think that there is this pattern available on any other color, but if there is, correct me. So let's turn it on and take a look at that notch. We have got speakers down here, USB charging port here, our headphone jack here, and then camera at the back and fingerprint scanner at the back as well. So there it is, that's the notch. It's smaller than the one we have on iPhone 10. And then we've got, you know, soft screen buttons here. So let's continue. Let's get through the setup quickly. Let's skip it for now, skip it for now. And let's get started. So there we go, we are in the phone now, and that's the, you know, Color OS 5.0. Let's go in settings and take a look at the software. So it's running on Android version 8.1.0, and I'm extremely happy to see that. So what Oppo has done here is that they have extended the display up to the top, removing any bezels, and then put a notch up there and also put a chin down here. But anyways, it looks good, the display looks good, and it's beautiful. The software, they have improved it as well. It's a different paint job, it looks much more modern and much more iOS like as well. But anyways, I'm going to go through this software in detail. If you have any questions about it, if you want to know anything specific, let me know in the comments, and I will get back to you in upcoming videos. You can also catch me up on Twitter if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.